Volume 1, Chapter 1, Hadith 323 is in Chapter 15 of Book 6 before you, narrated Atiyah. We never considered Eilish discharge as a thing of importance as menses. So it's one of those things of the state of keeping away from as a minor sort that you clean it off, just like any other bleeding. But in case of discharge, we're not talking about bleeding, but you know what I mean. Tawaf is the circumambulation, and it's only to be made around the Kaaba in this age. Tawaf al-Ifadah is the circumambulation after they return from Mina on the 10th of the Hijjah, and it's an essential part of the pilgrimage, and it would end the pilgrimage. Tawaf al-Wada is the opening circumambulations that you start the pilgrimage with. Tayammum is you place down the hands over clean earth or something equivalent, and then pass the palms over the backs of the hands, and then pass them over the face, and people will tend to blow off the dust, and this is done instead of ablutions. Of course, there's, safer to, of course, blow off the dust. You could scratch your eyes or whatnot if you're just rubbing dirt on your face. Thaniyat al-Wada is a place near Medina. Tharid is a meat and bread dish. Thawr is a mountain in Medina. Tala is a kind of alcoholic beverage prepared from grapes. There's a lot of detail about no intoxicants, but you don't even need to look into the fact that the term means more than alcohol to realize that definitely at least all the alcoholic beverages. Now, people say, well, what about in perfumes and stuff? It's like you use alcohol that is not the drinking alcohol, because you can't dilute something to the point where that thing in the first place wasn't sinful for making and consuming. And yes, I know things get a bit alcoholic before you make vinegar, but that's not the same thing. You're intending to turn it into vinegar, so that stage in between. Tuban are shorts that cover the knees, and so a wrestler and other sports people should still be modest. Tulaka are 3 persons that embraced Islam on the day of the conquest of Mecca. Khor is a mountain